Hairvivi, let them sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So dolls, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Summer is coming up. You know your girl's trying to give you guys different selections for stuff that you could wear. Today's video is sponsored by OMG Her Hair. I just recently did a video for them and I'm coming right back with it. I really love the last unit. If you haven't seen it, be sure and check it out. I'll have it linked up above. This unit is another one of their 3D dome cap glueless units, and I'm really loving these dome cap glueless units because I don't know, they just, to me, they have like a better fit on the head, at least in my experience. Not all of them, but most of them I reviewed fits really well. So in case you haven't seen the previous video, I'm just going to briefly show you what's the difference in the 3D dome cap. Now, the difference in the 3D dome cap is that the lace already comes pre-cut for all the girls who don't like cutting the lace. And they come with these removable adjustable combs for those of you guys who don't like combs in their units. This particular unit comes with the Velcro attachment, so it easily comes off with the Velcro snap. If you don't want it on, you just pull it off. If you do want to wear it, you just leave it on. Additionally, it comes with this adjustable elastic band. Now, this is going to help you get a more secure fit. So let's take a look at the unit that I'm reviewing today. It is this gal. Now, this is a Yaki unit. As you can see, it does have these highlights on it, right? Let's take a look at that hairline. The hairline is pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. And it's a throw on and go type day. Let's go ahead and put this baby on. So I am going to adjust this elastic band to fit my head. And once you get it to where you want it, I do suggest adding a little knot on this to prevent it from budging when you're wearing your unit. One thing I do like about this unit is that it does come with a C-shaped design to match your ear shape. So it's going to provide a better fit while wearing. So this is the lace. I really like their lace. Even though I feel like the lace that they have on it is a lot more extra lace than I normally wear with my units, for some reason, it really tends to blend well. Let's take a look at the knots on this lace. The parting space is kind of thin. I'm going to see what it looks like after I add concealer to see if it needs to be plucked. Speaking of plucked, let's get into the hairline. One thing about OMG Her Hair, I like how they pluck their units. I never have to go in and do any extra plucking. Their units really do be coming ready to go. Now, I will say I tied this thing in the back a little too tight. So it is a little bulky back here. My head size is a little bit smaller now that I'm bald. So I noticed that some of my units do fit like a little looser. So let's look at this color. So this is a Yaki unit. This is in 22 inches and the density for this unit is 180%. As you can see, they're really light highlights. It ain't nothing like too major. I like it though. Nice and subtle, but a break from your normal black. Okay, so I am going for a glueless install today. So I'm going to use my mousse just to put it on top of the lace to help it get a better melt. While I'm doing that, I am going to go through and straighten the hair in layers after I create this side part. And the reason why you want to make sure to do that, especially when dealing with a Yaki unit, is you're going to notice that your unit is going to lay a lot flatter than if you just straighten the top. This is something you should do for all your units that are not curly, and you will definitely see the difference. Now, typically I usually breeze through the curling section, but recently I just discovered that my daughter does not know how to curl hair. Really shocking, because I would assume with me being her mother, that would be something that she knows how to do. But I guess I took it for granted that people know how to curl the hair. This is a Yaki unit, so that's why I'm spraying each curl using this hairspray to help maintain its hold. Okay, so one thing I didn't mention is that this is a 6x8 lace. So that means it's going to be 6 inches across the front and 8 inches to the back with the lace. So now for this particular hairstyle that I'm trying to do, I do want to wear it behind my ear. And you know what? Oh, that don't look bad actually. I thought I was going to have to do something to camouflage, but hold up. Wait a minute. This actually blends pretty good. I'm going to take a little bit of this hair to the front because I did want to do like some baby hairs right here. So I'm just going to take just a little thin layer, cut it off. On a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean, but if you wanna go insane either way, baby. And I'm gonna try something different. Usually I curl the front of the hair to the back like I did this side, but today I'm gonna try curling it to the front and see how that looks. So to curl the hair to the front, you basically want to take the curling iron and angle it towards your face. Another way is you can curl it underneath, but I feel like when you angle the curling iron, you're going to get a better curl. You also want to hold and pat the hair while it's cooling down, and this is going to help the curl last a little longer. Now I'm just creating some baby hairs on the top. This is actually 2 baby hairs today. Go me. Y'all know I don't really do baby hairs, but for this particular hairstyle, I felt like the baby hair just helps it set off a little bit. And all I had to do was add a little bit of concealer to the parting space, and it did look like the parting space opened up enough so I didn't have to pluck it or do anything else extra to it. And this is the final result. You can already see these curls were starting to drop, child. But I love it. Absolutely love it. Well, these curls are starting to drop already, so let's make this quick. But this is the final look. It's Yaki hair, so you know sometimes it's resistance to keeping a curl. So you want to make sure you do use some type of hairspray. I like to use this hairspray because it keeps the curl in place without making it super stiff. As I mentioned, this is a 22-inch unit. I'm going to stand up so you can see where this lands on me. And I do appreciate the density of this unit. It is 180% density. Now, I wish it did hold the curl because it was looking really cute, but I had to go put my lipstick on, my lip gloss on and everything. By the time I came back, curl's almost gone. But in any event, guys, oh, wow. This lace is sticking up. Why y'all ain't tell me?
You still look good, baby.
Oh, thank you, baby. My boo just came. He said, "Ooh, girl, you looking." He ain't say what I'm looking, but I'm assume he mean I'm looking like a snack. He better be. So, dolls, in any event, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, y'all know I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So, dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. I love to have you. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might enjoy them as well. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.